water everywhere. That's why it's called the Waterberg. Paper bark tree. Look at this leaf. If you rub it.
It's got stuff on it.
It's got stuff on.
Fluff.
Yeah. Fluff. Weird.
No, it's protection. Now you're killing them.
You reckon?
Yeah.
It's much more beautiful like this. Yeah.
You did it wrong.
Down there are the houses where we stay. Those steel roofs. This is a bit of a climb.
Let's actually, I don't think the top plan, but that will be the best main road.
So here we have bridge number 1. Looks a little bit damaged. Careful. There we go. Little clip springer track. Oh, we can swim. We're walking next to the ridge. Nice. There's the Limpopo, and there's the houses where we sleep. 3 of them. And that's where we're going. I'm taking a video of the inchworm. You put your finger next to it. See how small it is.
No, I don't think onto my finger.
Amazing, yeah?
There's another one.
Oh, that's the little brother.
But it's even smaller than that one.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Tiny little worm.
Now there's two.
Have a look, it's got no.
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
That's pretty cool.
2-inch ones. It's going the wrong direction. That way, mate. Yeah, so this is a bigger one. Come, but move. No, it's not moving. There we go.
Just needs a little bit of a kick in the bum.
Yeah. So I think we need to go to that waterfall. Well, to the ladder next to the waterfall, that's where we need to go. But now we're struggling to find the markers for the trail.
I think there might be another one in there.
Oh, dat meet je. Nee,
A ladder, a nice ladder, that's the one next to the waterfall. So here we're at the waterfall. That's the waterfall. Is the bridge okay? Yeah. Whoa! It's not okay. No, keep your feet. No, yeah, left and right. So this has become a dangerous bridge.
your weight on the pin, you're safe. Around. Yes, I know, but I'm just asking. For them, put
So
the bridge that way.
we're not taking that bridge.
Let me think about it now.
I'm just gonna go a bit closer.
Just go up here, Max.
So this is one of the bridges that we're not taking. So that's a little tuk-tuk. That's what Mark said. And they come in different flavors. Some of them have white legs. Some of them have grey legs. So the disadvantage of going against the standard direction of the track is that you miss out on these markers. And it makes it all the more adventurous.
Yeah, so that's the bridge where you scared off. Yeah, and that's enough. People would have come down that way and then ended up there. Now we went up that way and up and then coming down.